Now in the chapter of polynomial we have last topic, that is algebraic identities. In this chapter you will study about 8 algebraic identities. These are the formula. You can see these are written at here, where we have, suppose we have x plus y ka whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Means to say, if we want to find the x plus y whole cube, then we can write down this value in this manner and we will get the required result. Let's prove this with one by one, understand this with the help of example. Now we will focus the proof of these algebraic identities. Suppose we have given any value, like if we want to find the 4 plus 3 whole square, then this can be written as 4 square plus 3 square plus 2 x into y, 4 is to 3, and that will be the 16 plus 9 plus 24, and what we will get, 25 plus 24, and that will be the 49. We will get 49, and here you can see that 7 square is equal to 49. So with the help of these algebraic identities you can find any solutions, and you can kept this use these algebraic identities in solving various problems. Now focus. Now with the help of this you can also calculate x minus y square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Now suppose we want to find 3 square minus 2 square. 3 square minus 2 square. So we can write this like 3 plus 2 or 3 minus 2, and we will get 5 into 1, and that will be the 5. As here we are using identity number 3, and with the help of this we can find this value. Now if we will evaluate this, then 3 square is equal to 9 and 4 square is equal to 4, and that is equal to 5. So this is the value. So with the help of using these algebraic identities we can easily find solutions of our problems. Now focus on algebraic identity 4. Suppose we have a number like 105 multiplied by 106. So we have a traditional method that we can multiply 105 into 106, that is 30, and that will be 6, and with the help of this we can write down. But if someone told us that find the value of this term without multiplying it, then we will use this algebraic identities. Here you can see, if we can write 105 as a 100 plus 5 and 106 as a 100 plus 6. So here we have x plus a and x plus b. Now we will kept x is equal to 100, a is equal to 5, and b is equal to 6 in the algebraic identity number 4. So what will we will get the value? We will get this value. So we kept the value in this expression. So here we have x square plus a plus bx plus ab. X square is equal to 100 square plus a plus b is equal to 5 plus 6, and x is equal to 100 plus multiplied a and b. We will get 100 square is equal to 1 2 3 4 0, and this will 1100 plus 30. Now whenever we will add this, we will get 1100 and 13, 3 1 1 1. We will get 11130, and that will be the answer. Here you can see that this is the non-traditional method. With the help of easily we can find the value of 11130. You need not to write these much steps. Whenever you will practice this, you can easily calculate any number. So this is the use of this algebraic identities. Now move further. Suppose we want to calculate this. We have now suppose we want to find the value of 3a plus 4b whole cube. That is the questions in which someone told us that find the value of 3a plus 4b whole cube. Now we can use this algebraic identities. If we will see, then we will find this is similar to this algebraic identities. Here this term represent x and this term represent y, then we will get x plus y ka whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. Now we will write down, we will put these value in this expression. What we will get? We will get x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. Here after putting the values, x is equal to 3a cube plus y is equal to 4b cube plus 3a is to 4b is to 3a plus 4b. Now after evaluating we will get 9a cube, sorry, we will get 27a cube plus 64b cube plus 36ab and 3a plus 4b. So here we have a solution that with the help of this we can calculate. Now further we can also solve it. Suppose we want to solve it, then we have 27a cube plus 64b cube plus we can multiply 36ab with 3a, then we will get 108a square b, because here a and here a, and we will get, and after multiplying it we will get 36 multiplied with 4, we will get 144 a b square. So here we will get this term. We can easily calculate this with the help of using this algebraic identities. Now in this manner you can also calculate x minus y ka whole cube with any problem. Suppose we have here 3a minus 4b, then it can also be calculated in this manner. Now focus on last algebraic identities that you will learn in class 9th, that is, now let's focus on last algebraic identities, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz x plus yz x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. In this term, suppose we have an example 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Here we can write this term as a x, this term as a y, and this term as a z, and this term can be written as 3 2x y 2z. Now if we will kept value in this term, we will get 8x cube. What we will get? We will get, we can write this value as a, it can be written as x cube can be written as 2x cube plus 2y cube, sorry, y cube plus 3z cube minus this this term can be represented as 3 2x y 2z, because here we have 18. So after multiplying 3 with 2 we will get 6, and after multiplying with 3 we will get 18. So we can expand this in this manner. We will get 2x plus y plus 3z minus, sorry, we will get x square, that will be 2x square plus y square, that will be the y square, plus z square will be the 9z square minus xy 2x minus y we will get minus xy, and that will be minus 2xy minus yz, minus yz will be the 3yz minus zx, and zx will be minus 3z is to 2x. So we have x plus y plus 3z 2x 2x square plus y square plus 9z square minus 2xy minus 3yz minus 3 sorry minus 6zx. So with the help of this algebraic identities, you can find the solution of any expression that can be given in this form. So that is all about polynomials. This chapter include all these topics that I have covered in our lecture. Now here are some questions. Practice it in your notebook and answer give answer in the comment box. Okay, thank you so much.